So this is Dana's newest hobby, once again. He's been playing since he's been 16, but he forgot a little bit, so he's relearning. Tonight he's tried to play All Fly Away, and that went bad. So then we tried still coming around the mountain, and that went bad. So then we thought, okay, we'll start with the blues. So now we're out in the middle of a dang windstorm, and Dana's playing the blues. You can hear the harmonica over the wind, I'm sure. Woo! Pardon the shake on the camera, but this is cold. Step on it! Woo! You better get up on that track. There we go. Cool. Say hi, Dana. Say hi. Everybody just heard you playing. So this is Christy saying, even in a windstorm, you can find something good to do. Get off your ass and go outside.